I'm Cheri, and I'd like to tell you about the Cheri's HazelCream Cooking Challenge we held in April 2022. Cheri's HazelCream is a new dairy-free milk substitute made from Oregon hazelnuts. We challenged 6 talented chefs from the Cascade Culinary Institute's Culinary Club to produce 3 courses consisting of an appetizer, a main dish, and a dessert. Each dish had to incorporate one special ingredient, Cheri's HazelCream. They could use it to replace milk, cream, or buttermilk. The chefs formed into teams of 2 and had 45 minutes for the first round and 60 minutes for the second and third rounds. Evaluating the dishes were 3 judges. The first was a Bend, Oregon executive chef. The second was a past graduate of the Cascade Culinary Institute who is a food business professional. And the third was a Central Oregon celebrity. Watch as our chefs battle it out over 3 rounds to be the winner of a purse of over $1,000 in value. See them prepare a wide variety of dishes, demonstrating the versatility of dairy-free Cheri's HazelCream. If you like what you see, I would also like to invite you to visit our website, cherishazelcream.com, and purchase a copy of the ebook for the event that includes all the recipes you will see. 100% of the proceeds from the sale of these ebooks will be given to the Culinary Club of Cascade Culinary Institute. Please check out our full video at the link below, and thank you for your support.